What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to swap your USDT for Ethereum ETH directly inside the Phantom wallet. It's a quick and simple process, so let's get started. First, open your Phantom wallet and enter your password. Once you're on the main screen, tap on the swap icon at the bottom, which looks like two arrows. This will take you to the swap tokens page. Here you will set up your trade. Tap the top field, the one for UPay, and select USDT from your token list. Next, tap the bottom field for you receive and select ETH. After you've set your trading pair from USDT to ETH, simply enter the amount of USDT you want to swap. The app will automatically calculate how much ETH you will receive and show you all the details, including the provider and any network fees. As the video explains, the final step is to tap the swap button. This button is inactive in the video due to an insufficient balance, but it will be active for you if you have the funds. Just tap it, confirm the transaction, and your swap will be complete. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more. See you next time.